Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, June 11th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Really interesting day today. I think I called the Dow, said it was going to have a lower opening and then go higher. Well, I was half right. We didn't ever see a lower opening this morning. It actually shot up very strong at the beginning of the day and then kind of faded a little as the day went on, closing up only 38 points. Now I tell you, if I was looking at this chart, normally I might call it down yesterday, but I'm still going to call it up again tomorrow. I really don't think the short sellers have fared very well in the last couple days, and I think they're kind of scared off. And I'm looking to see this market move higher tomorrow, and it even could move strongly higher tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll have to see what happens. Had some interesting individual stocks today, and mostly, in fact almost all, was in China stocks. That's what's really carrying the day for us. I wish American companies would show more of this buoyancy, but they're not. So we're making money in China stocks recently. This first one is JRJC, which is China Finance Online. We had this huge move up this morning, and kind of because of a delayed entry, we got in really high, but we're still holding a good solid $1,000 in open trade equity in this. But China Finance Online, this has been an amazing stock for us, and this was our biggest single trade of 2015. I think we made something like $34,000 on a single trade in this. So anytime JRJC moves, I'd like to take a look at it, even if we're only holding $1,000 in this. But a couple other Chinese stocks definitely distinguish themselves today. This is CCIH, which is China Cash International Holdings. I had showed you this yesterday. We got into this right out of the gate yesterday, and it closed up here. On the close, we were close to $8,000 with China Cash. The sweet spot this morning for exiting with that $8,000 would have been about 15 minutes into the trading day. As it is, we got out 45 minutes into the trading day, and we took out 6,000 rather than the 8,000. But I can't complain about a $6,000 trade. Just great. And this was the outlier trade from yesterday. I'll show you the outlier trade today. This is in DL, which is China Distance Educational Holdings, I believe. China Distance Holdings. Anyway, I'm not sure exactly what they do, but whatever they do, this stock is very volatile. And what's interesting, yesterday we got into this and actually closed against us. I mean, if you just look at yesterday's action, it didn't look like anything. But because we're already in this thing, we rode this animal all the way to the top today. We never had to worry about slippage or anything. We were already long. We just rode this all the way to the top, and this thing closed right at its high, up $7,000 in open trade equity. So this is also an outlier trade. So we've had two China outlier trades 2 days in a row, just fantastic. And I'm very encouraged by this action, because this is the kind of stuff that allows us to make money. We need volatility, and boy, have we seen it in China Cash International and China Distance Holdings. Just great. Anyway, anytime I see these kinds of trades, makes me happy. Trader Bob is happy. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.